Yes, good morning, children. Hope you have finished with your previous topic. Now we are going to start with new chapter. It's chapter 5, data handling. In data handling, first of all, we will do the introduction part. What is meant by first of all data? As you know, any information collected initially, we call it as data. The information collected the information collected in the context of any situation under study is called data. We can have any information, runs made by batsman in the first 10 over, last 10 over, marks scored by the student. This we all called as a data. Now, how to represent the data? Data can be represented in many ways. First of all, data can be represented in the form of pictograph, bar graph, double bar graph, histograms, and to represent them we have to arrange them in a systematic order. We have also to arrange them in a systematic order. So data can be arranged in any of the form. First of all, we will understand about pictograph. We have studied in our previous classes, a pictograph represents the data using symbol. Represents data using symbols. For example, if you have to show any data regarding number of cars sold in particular month, for example in June, if it is sold 500 cars, in July 600 cars sold, and in August we have 400 cars sold. So how to represent the data? We will assume a symbol. Let 100 cars is equals to let 100 cars is equals to one triangle. So 500 cars will be equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 600 cars 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 400 car 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be equals to only 4 cars. This is the representation using pictures. So we call it as pictograph. From it, it is clear that you can represent as many as numbers using the symbols. If there is more value, then we can increase our symbol. Here we can write 200 cars represent one triangle. Clear?